Hey guys, I got another fun project. I need to do this moon up front because I'm going to make a galaxy with a little moon embedded in it. And I'm going to make a very thin moon now, so it can dry. And then I'll do this tomorrow. Or maybe later today. I'm just going to take clear resin and I'm going to mix these two glitters together to make the moon. So then I'm going to, when you use mica, the micas are solid, they're opaque, and I tried that once and you can't mix glitter in mica. So this is an experiment. I'm sure somebody has it on YouTube somewhere, but I haven't really found it yet. So I'm going to do my own thing, and I'm going to take some clear resin and add this black, Mantia black, and this resin, and see if I can come up with a galaxy. I'm going to put that in here, and then I'm going to lay the moon on the top. Okay? So that's the plan anyway. I'm not going to do it upside down, even though it's a beautiful shiny mold. But anyway, so I'll have to sand the edges and stuff. But isn't that pretty? Won't that be pretty? All right, we'll see what happens. All right, talk to you later.